darasani kufanya master siku ya kwanza. Mwalimu wangu ambaye ni daktari Rispa na Masaka aliniuliza, kwa nini umekuja kusoma? Nikamwambia nataka nisome nipate PhD katika maisha yangu.
I'm the supervisors to the students, and today I'm humbled to stand before you people and to confess and surely say that Professor Dr. Sylvester Wakoli Bifwoli is a good student. He worked hard. I've taught him at master's program and now at PhD, a hard-working student, and he led by example. And I want to take this opportunity to encourage others who may feel that they are old to come back to class and learn the way he has learned, because he has now set the pace.
We are three. We shall co-write a book under our able supervisor. She will continue looking at our work from the academic angle.
We want to encourage the girl child to go to class and work hard and never to give up. And even if they happen to get pregnant while in school, they should not give up, because there is light at the end of the tunnel. It is my wish and my plea that as parents, as all other stakeholders, we support the girl child more so in Bungoma County to go to school and put in effort, so that at the end of it all, they will come to take up the positions that we are holding.